Hi everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. I'm Jim, this is Crystal, and this is Disneyland news for tourists or infrequent visitors for the month of July 2024. And we're going to start off with park hours. Well, we're in the midst of the busy summer season, and Disneyland will be open from 8 a.m. to midnight every night or every day throughout the month of July, and California Adventure will be 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. There is one exception to this, and that is July 21st. July 21st will be the Chalk Walk, and both parks will be opening 1 hour later at 9 a.m. The Chalk Walk is a very, very busy day, so if you are attending on July 21st, be prepared for heavy crowds.
Up next are the ride closures at Disneyland. It is the Haunted Mansion. They did recently announce the Haunted Mansion will be opening in fall with a virtual queue only. They did not give a specific date yet for the fall opening. Also closed is Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln and the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. And then over at California Adventure, the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail is also closed. It's finally scheduled to be open on July 23rd, but if you watched our June video, it was supposed to open in June as well. So we'll see when it actually opens.
On June 27th, Oogie Boogie Bash tickets go on sale for non-Magic Key holders. If you are interested in attending Oogie Boogie Bash and not sure how to purchase tickets, we have a quick 1.5 minute video, and we'll link that in the description below.
We have heard reports that the orange monorail slide at the Disneyland Hotel is finally open again, and we did check their website, and the little blurb that used to be there is no longer there, so that's really great news for those staying at the Disneyland Hotel this summer.
And more news at the Disneyland Hotel, the coffee house will reopen on July 1st.
On July 4th is the special Celebrate America fireworks, and if you want to check those out from home, you can watch those on the Hojo Mattercam.
On July 8th, the walkway between Critter Country and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge will close for an undetermined amount of time, and that is for construction in the Critter Country area. If you are planning on rope dropping Rise of the Resistance, you will have to either enter through Fantasyland or Frontierland, and we imagine the furthest you will be able to walk in that section of the park will be near Harbor Galley, so hopefully we can still get those yummy, warm chocolate chip cookies.
Din Tai Fung, the new restaurant in downtown Disney, will be soft opening on June 24th, and they have announced it will have a grand opening sometime in the month of July.
On July 17th is Disneyland's 69th birthday, and there's no large celebration planned, but typically you can find a small celebration located near the castle.
Usually at this point in the video, we'll tell you all the hotel specials we've come across, but because crowd attendance is lower this summer, a lot of the area hotels and the Disneyland hotels are having specials. So we highly suggest, if you've already booked your hotel, to check rates again. It's even worth a phone call in to see if rates have come down since you booked. And if you're planning a last minute trip, I would scour all the local hotels and see the best deal that you could find.